Hey guys, Joe here, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we're going to play some more Minecraft. Wait, is auto jump not on? Is it this? Let's go to our house. I remember last time we died so much. So much, we died. We died all the day. All the day. Wait, I didn't think you could break blocks of swords anymore. Or was that in creative? Big poppy collection, big garden of poppies. I want all the grass to grow. Don't think it will. What should we do today, guys? I'm gonna see what we can build with 2 stacks of wood, okay? Hang on. Hang on a minute. Creative. Done. I'm gonna see what I can do with a lot of wood. Just gonna put this in here. One. Then I'm gonna go 2, 2, and 4, 5. So, let's see what we can add on to the house of only these bricks. Just gonna go to bed. Right, it's too far away, guys. It's just too far away. You know. Can I just alter the sound? It's a bit loud to me. That's okay. Should we build like a temple thingy? I'm gonna build like a temple-y thing. I don't know where I should build it though. I'm gonna build. Actually, I'm not gonna. Yeah, I'm gonna still do it. I'm gonna build. Gonna just look what to build. Gonna build. Oh, here. Oh, there's a random anvil. Just here. Why is this here? Let's go. Let's see. Wait, is that a polar? Oh my god, it's a polar bear. There's a random polar bear here called Mandy. Hi, Mandy polar bears. Mandy the polar bear. I want to have this polar bear. I really want the polar bear. I'm getting the lead. Come on, Mandy. Oh! No! Mandy! You broke the lead, Mandy, you meanie. Come on. Mandy! Mandy! Come on. Huh? Mandy! You smingle bomb. Sorry about this, Mandy. Just pushing you out the way. Oh, you stuck, Mandy. That's sad for you. No, let's go. Mandy is my new pet. Mandy the polar bear. What a great name for a polar bear. Come on, Mandy. Ugh! So angry with you, Mandy. Come on. Come on, Mandy. Yes. No! Do you plonker? Come on. Oops. Sorry, Mandy. I have no idea why there is a polar bear. Maybe you were almost playing on the world before. How can you spell Mandy though? Come on, Mandy. I think Mandy likes to swim. Do you like to swim, Mandy? Yeah, I do. Oh, okay. Let's go then. You can live over here until I find a proper place to put you. Until I find a proper place to put you, Mandy, you will live here. Okay? I'll build a Mandy shed, but you need to be there. And I need a healing potion for you because I hurt you. Healing. Here you go. Here you go. I'm going to build a Mandy shed. It's going to go here. Actually, need fences. The Mandy shed. It's a shed for my polar bear. Her name tag says she's called Mandy, so she must be called Mandy. Yay. Now Mandy has a house. Oops. Mandy? Where's the lead? Where's the lead? Ah, there it is. Come on. You have a new home. Mandy, new home. Come on. Mandy. You naughty, naughty polar bear. Come on. There. Here is your... Actually, you don't have to go on there. Come on. In here. Mandy. Good. I'm going to build a little fish pool. So that Mandy can eat some fishes. But the fish won't be there if you don't give them names. So we need... So... Oh yeah! There was something I wanted to show you. See... Here it is. So... I think there's this weird thing you can make. Here it is. Put this in the middle, and then you do... No! I need one more shell. Okay. I know this is wasting a bit of the video, but still. It's something I just wanted to show you guys. If you get a heart of the sea and 8 nautilus shells, you can craft this weird thing. Heart of the sea, nautilus shells, conduit. What does it do? I'm going to do a video on the conduit next time. I think. And then I'll... You know. So we need water. And last but not least, we need an anvil. Oh, let's take the damage one. If we do need an anvil though, we should put it next to the crafting table. Oh. On top of the crafting table? Fish. Right, let's go guys. Finish my beautiful polar bears enclosure. I know this isn't the ideal weather for my polar bear, but it's got a lot of fishes, so yeah. Come on! Mandy. Over. Gone. Gone. What? Mandy, come on! Right. So, that was a good video. I'll do a video on the conduit next time. Thank you for watching, if indeed you still are and will. Oh, didn't know they did that. This is a few more. And will See you next